Welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys how to connect your Trust Wallet to the 1inch exchange. This is going to be after the most recent ban from at the Apple Store with the Trust Wallet application. They're no longer allowing people to use dApps on the Trust Wallet application. So we're going to have to go through another process to use dApps, and I'm going to be showing you guys how to use specifically the 1inch exchange. So all you guys have to do first off is you want to head over to the link I have in the description for the 1inch exchange. It's just going to bring you to the direct website on Safari. So if you guys were to go ahead and do that, it'll bring you over to the 1inch app right here. Now, first things first, if you're going to be using 1inch often, I'd highly recommend that you guys just click on the share button on the bottom of your screen. And then you scroll down and click on add to home screen. What it's going to do, it's going to add the 1inch app to your screen. So you can just go right to that application and click on it every time you want to use the exchange, rather than having to go and Google it, just because there is a lot of scams out there nowadays. You want to make sure you're using the proper application. So this is one way that you guys can do that, just by adding it to your screen here and then going back into it. Very easy. And it loads up like an app too, which is kind of cool. But anyways, connecting your wallet, all you guys have to do is go to the bottom of the screen where it says connect wallet, click on that. And then here it's going to ask you to accept the terms of service and privacy policy. So you can go ahead and read that if you would like to. But after you're done reading it, you can go ahead and click on I read and accept. And then right here, you're going to go to the option for choosing your network. So here you're going to want to choose what network you're going to want to use, whether it's Ethereum or Binance Smart Chain. So first off, you want to make sure you click the right one there. And then after you're done clicking the network that you want to use and whatever your crypto's on, you want to go ahead and click on Wallet Connect in the third option. Once you click on Wallet Connect, you want to click on Trust Wallet. And it's going to open up in Trust Wallet, asking you to confirm that you want 1inch to connect to your wallet. You want to click on Connect, and it's going to have you go back over to your browser. Once you head back over to your browser, you're going to know you're connected when you see your wallet address down in the bottom here. And then you'll see your balance of Ethereum or Binance Smart Chain, whatever you're using. And if you don't see your balance there, you just want to make sure that you have your Ethereum in your Ethereum wallet, or if you have your BNB in your Binance Smart Chain wallet. But here on out, you should be good to go. I really hope I was able to help you guys out with showing you guys how to connect your Trust Wallet to the 1inch exchange. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like on the video and subscribe for more content. Thanks for watching.